Funny crowd, ladies and gentlemen, our next comic is a very funny man, goes by the name Richard Bain. Put your hands back and forth.
Facebook jokes, Facebook jokes. Everybody ready for the Facebook joke? I don't like it when my friends are like, pray for my mama. You know, on Facebook, they'll be like, pray for my mama. She got in a car wreck. Pray for her, she's in ICU. She's gonna die if you don't pray for her on Facebook. Is there a little part of you that wants to click like? And your mom's in ICU. And they will share. Did you guys hear about the slave master who cloned his first slave? Yeah, he named it Kunta Kinkos. Kunta Kinkos. You guys think caveman used to stare at fires like I stared at Avatar, you know? Like, this is gonna change everything. Come here, bitch. You guys heard about the rape whistle, huh? Let me go ahead and tell you, don't even think about getting the rape saxophone. It just sets the mood. Did you guys know that the water at Universal Studios, the water on the rides, is made of pepper and cum? I used to get beat up by black guys all the time when I was younger. Then I started sagging my pants and listening to rap music and getting beat up by black girls. I like to tie a string around my finger, help me remember things. It's not the string itself, it's more the asphyxiation, the blood stopping. It really doesn't really work that well, actually, because I came home the other night and my girlfriend had hung herself, and I was like, oh yeah, milk! I'm actually impressed. I'm actually impressed with the Jersey Shore. What about you guys, huh? Like gym, tan, laundry, all in one day? Fuck. Are you showing off? I used to watch a lot of scrambled porn, like on the Spice Channel. You guys remember that? Now it's really fucked up now because now I can only masturbate to Salvador Dali. I'm gonna get out of here, but...
Hey, you suck! You're a horrible performer! You're one of the worst in the city! You stink! I wouldn't want to see you for free! You're awful!
That's the worst heckling I've ever heard! You should go back to heckling school. My cousin, he can heckle better, and he's dead.
Well, heckler, how do you feel being heckled?
Incredibly vulnerable! Scared? Alone? I want someone to hold me!
Come.
Come. Reply.
All the hecklers in the room, come! Join me on stage. Let's stand against this. Hecklers, we're gonna stop. Hecklers, we'll make it stop. Hecklers, we'll make it stop.
everybody. Richard Bain.